Hello everyone, hope you are doing good. In this video, I will be explaining you how to join the course at Avoda, how to view the videos at Avoda website, and how to do the assignments based on the video contents. So let's start the session now. For opening the Avoda website, you have to open your browser and go to www.avoda.com, avoda.com. Okay, so this is your homepage of Avoda website. Okay, so here you will be clicking on the first option, choose your future. Then you will be choosing your language. So we provide all the courses around 6 languages, so you need to choose your language. Here I am choosing Malayalam. Then you need to choose your course. So we provide around 25 courses. So these are the courses we provide at Avoda. So you have to click on your course. So here I am clicking on Pharmacovigilance. And here you will be getting the details of Pharmacovigilance course. Okay. So here you can see the curriculum, the contents we provide under this course. So by viewing this page, you will be getting the details of the topics we are going to cover and the fees which you are going to pay. All the details of the course you can get it from this page. Okay. And if you want to join this course, you have to click on take this course option here. So after you click on take this course, you will be moved on to the checkout screen. So here you have to enter your coupon code. Okay, just click here to enter your code and enter your coupon code here and click on apply coupon. So this coupon is a one-time use only, you can't reuse it. And then you have to give the billing details of the student name, and the student email address, and the student age is optional, and the phone number, and the consultant's number and the manager's number. It's optional, no need for providing the number over here. Just scroll it down and you can just check this box and click on place order. So your order will get placed. Okay. So after that you will be getting this screen. You can click on start course. And you will be getting the contents over here in the right side, and here you can click on start course again. So your course will get started over here, and you can start by viewing the unit one by one. You can view your video by one by one. Okay, and after completing a video you can click on mark this unit complete, so that you will be moved on to the next unit, and you can click on next unit over here and you can view the second part of the video. Okay, and also you have an option to view the previous unit also by clicking on this previous unit option which appears over here. After completing some of the videos, you will be provided with an assignment which you have to complete it. Okay, so click on those assignment. And you have to click on start assignment. and here you will be given some space for providing the link. You have to work out your assignments answers in a particular software, and you have to copy the link to your Google Drive. Okay, make sure that in the Google Drive link you have chosen anyone with the link. It should not be restricted, it should be as anyone with the link. Okay, after that you have to copy the link from the Google Drive and you have to paste the link over here. You have to click on text and you have to place the link over here, and then you have to scroll it down and click on answer assignment. So as I told you, you have to click on text over here and you have to paste this link, the Google Drive link where you have copied your answer file. Then you have to click on answer assignment. Then your assignment gets submitted, and here you can find assignment submitted. After this you can just move on to the next video and you can view that. Okay, hope you have learned. Thank you.